So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I gonna show you how to make slime at home with very few simple things. So first of all, I will thanks to people who subscribed my channel, and also like my channel and comment there. And please guys, subscribe, like and share my channel and videos, and don't forget to comment down that how I make my video, is it good or any problem in my video. And you can also tell me the topic to make video on. So first thing, you will need a bowl. We'll take a bowl and cup of water. We have water. And you will need borax and some glue. You can use a school glue or any glue. I have student glue and it is easy and very easy. And also I forgot to tell you that you also need a spoon. So guys, first of all, please like my video. So if the target is 100 likes, if we get 100 likes, so I will make another video. So first of all, let's start. You will need a bowl, add glue, so now we will need to add some water, little water. If it's too much water, you can also add more glue. I have finished my glue because I have made earlier. So then mix it well and put some borax in water and then mix it. Now I'm mixing it. Add some water. It is being slimy. So now mix it. Now as we will need to keep mixing it, you can see it is being like slimy slime. So now you can do with your hand. I don't put enough water, so it is being so. I put so water inside it. Now put it away. Let it dry, so I think it will be right. But you can also don't put more water, just a little bit water to make it like liquidy. So look, you can see it's how many water is coming down. I hate water so much. So guys, you can see I have put my slime in fresh air for just 2 or 10 minutes. Now you can see it is very great. So please comment down below that how I make this video, and you can also tell me a topic to make video on. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. So please don't forget to subscribe. So see you next time. Goodbye.